she like it 'cause she like
Reliance was founded as a startup, even before startups became, like my father founded Reliance with a table and a chair and 1,000 rupees. It was 5 decades ago. It then became a micro industry, then it became a small industry, medium. Today you can consider us large. Right? Every small business and entrepreneur, right, has the potential in India to become a Dhirubhai Ambani or a Bill Gates. And that is the power, that is what differentiates India from the rest of the world. I think that the entrepreneurial power that we have at the grassroots is enormous. And what this decade will offer, right, and if we even see the opening balance of small, medium, and micro enterprises, right? We have to realize that for India, they really provide 70%, even without any enablement, right? They provide 70% of India's employment. They drive 40% of India's export. Yeah. And they are critical to all the economic activity that we see. And they have done this, again, with zero technical enablement and adoption. So the opportunity there is to really go from no technology, no digitization, and really pole vault to adopt. The mindset exists, right, to really propel India forward. And that is even a bigger opportunity than the consumer piece that we have seen in the last few years.
When you now leading this organization, look out, what sort of drives you? What inspires you? What is it that you would like to see happen?
The opportunity that we have for India really is the opportunity to become the premier digital society in the world. I think with all the components that are coming in place, right, as we grow and march forward, right, I have no doubt in my mind that we will become among the top 3 economies in the world. Right? 20 years ago, we were saying, okay, where will India be? Now I think that if you talk to anybody, there is no doubt in anybody's mind. We can argue about whether it will happen in 5 years or 10 years, but it's going to happen. And we will be in the top 3 economies in the world. When that happens, right, our opportunity is, will we be the most technically enabled society? Will we be having all our development enabled by all the tools of technology? Can we really be a pace setter in terms of using all technology? And again, what our Prime Minister says is, can we then use technology for businesses so that businesses have ease of doing business, but we then in partnership deliver ease of living for every citizen of India and build a society that is equal, has ethics, and really gives equal opportunity to empower everybody to find their potential. And that, I think, in the coming 2 decades, right, is the opportunity that India has. What next generations of India will see is a very different India.